Oh, Xavier.
What up, guys?
We're here with another video today.
What?
Well, we're dump truck racing right now. Snowball challenge, so let's get right into it. Hot lap.
Hot lap.
Hold your dump truck right there. Back.
What?
As you can see right now, this is our dump trucks. You can see this is a Chevy, obviously. That's a Chevy, and this guy's a Tard and picked a
Dodge. No, they're
which
Dodge.
is a wussy truck, you know, came in with the ton. So, comment down below which one's better. Like,
And
Chevy or Dodge.
Don't forget, smash that like button down below. And press the bell for notifications and subscribe. Let's try and hit 500 likes on this video.
And comment down below which truck is better, design-wise, or you guys can comment down below.
Which one's faster?
No, not one that's faster. Which one is better in Chevy or Dodge wise? Thank you.
And I'm
put
pretty
that
sure
down
you're
below.
gonna pick Chevy because
Okay.
they hot lap.
Yeah, my little dump truck. I was a little off a little bit of my little dump truck.
Comment down below if you subscribe and touch the notifications bell, and we'll shout you out in the next video. If you always want to get shouted out, then keep saying that and we'll keep shouting you out. I'm probably not going to be here for every video. I'm just here for the weekend. You might see me next video. So, we're getting ready to get back out there.
Comment down below, hashtag Xavier's gonna win because of nothing.
Hashtag Craig will win. Or hashtag Parker will win. Hashtag I suck.
Comment down below right now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done. Come down below. We'll get some merch for you guys. Some racing, some dump truck and merch. And we gonna buy dump trucks and give them away.
No, I'm not giving dump truck away.
We can steal.
We're not gonna give anything away on this channel. Just to let you guys know, so
We're probably gonna get some merch now.
yeah, you might get merch. or I'll just do a sticker for you guys. So comment down below, what would you like, sticker or merch?
Remember the last video? You remember the last video I was there? And there was this yellow car going, the hood was falling off. Go back and check that if you haven't seen that there. It's up in the description, so go check it out. First link. Check the other video up there.
Okay, it doesn't. Okay, everybody go out for time trials.
Who's first?
I think Parker should go.
Yeah, because he will not be here.
I don't have a phone. Okay. Green. Your fastest lap was a 5:163. Okay, going out to the track right now. Green. Fastest lap was 4:83.
Okay, I'm going to do 0.
Now I'm gonna count my head. No.
Green.
But you fast a lot. Starting on the pole. Number 11 for the heat. Xavier Sprague. Starting in number 2. Need second. Number 8. Craig Sprague. Starting in the 3rd position.
Parker Williams.
No, hold up. Starting in the. Sorry if I'm annoying you with this, but starting in the 1st position. Number 11, the Rough Rider, Xavier Sprague. Starting in the 2nd position. Number 8, the Low Rider, Craig Sprague.
He's a Teletubby.
Thank you.
Shut up.
Starting
Parker's
in
a
the
Teletubby too.
Shut up. Starting in the 3rd position. Number 42. The Little Rider, Parker Williams.
You need to drive it in a dump truck. Slap you out of business.
Freaking Chevys are better than Dodges, I can tell you that, buddy.
Yeah, get that.
Okay. So let's get this heat underway.
No.
Me first.
Me second.
You're last. You're right behind me. Oh my God. Parker. Okay. Oh, dang, Craig. Oh, big red coming out of turn 2. Yellow. Get your dog out of here. White flag is out. Checker. Yellow. Alright. They're kind of right through the infield. Parker automatically gets second, you get last. Okay, people go in the pits. feature?
Yeah.
So,
Who's starting first?
you are. You ran a 4, he ran a 5.
I'm starting first.
Yeah. Just let him go in front.
That's right.
So, heat number 2, we're going to do single file, starting with Parker. And then in the second position, Craig Sprague. Guys, get out there right now to end this heat, and then we have a break before the feature. 5, 9, Parker start. Craig. Parker. Slow. It's yellow flag. Wait until I say green. Wait until I say green. Green, green, green! Oh, oh, oh! Oh, not that touchdown! But green runs. Oh, turn right. Go, 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 go! White flag is out! Tucker! You gotta fix it. Or we're gonna get qualified for the future. Okay, fix Starting in the first position. Number 11, a Rough Rider, Xavier Sprague. Starting in the second position, number 42, Parker Williams. Starting in dead last, number 8, Craig Sprague. Woo. Oh, wow. Are you ready, Craig?
Yeah, let's go.
Hold up, I'm not ready.
Wait, I'm trying to. Hold up.
Okay.
Let's go. I'm trying to shoot.
Feature. Go out for your features. Starting on the pole. Number 11. The Rough Rider. Xavier Sprague. Starting in the second position.
42.
Number 42. The Little Rider. Parker Williams. With a Dodge. And I'm with the Chevy. Starting in dead last. Number 8. Craig. The Low Rider, Craig Sprague, which is driving a Chevy.
Yes.
Get out on the reset.
No, 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 no.